Upgrade your kitchen game with powerful blending performance that handles anything from smoothies to sauces. The best blender for everything delivers versatility, speed, and consistent results every time. Crush ice, blend tough ingredients, and create perfect textures effortlessly with one reliable appliance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Ninja 1500 Watt Blender. The Ninja 1500 Watt Blender stands out as a true all-in-one kitchen system designed for versatility and power. With its robust 1500 watt motor, it easily handles everything from crushing ice to blending frozen fruits and tough ingredients, delivering consistently smooth results. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for large batches, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests, while the tonal crushing blades ensure ice is pulverized into fine snow within seconds. What makes this model particularly impressive is its added food processing capability. The 8-cup processing bowl performs precise chopping, pureeing, and even dough mixing, saving time and reducing the need for extra appliances. The inclusion of dedicated blades for chopping and dough further enhances its functionality. For those with busy lifestyles, the two Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids offer convenient single-serve blending, ideal for quick smoothies or shakes on the move. The design is practical and operation is straightforward, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users.
Number 2. Nuwave 64-ounce blender. The Nuwave 64-ounce blender is built with durability and professional-grade performance in mind, making it a strong contender for long-term kitchen use. Equipped with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, it handles tough ingredients effortlessly without overheating, ensuring consistent blending results even during heavy use. Its laser-cut stainless steel blades are engineered for precision, allowing smoother blends with reduced oxidation, which helps retain nutrients and improve texture. The 64-ounce Triton jar is both BPA-free and highly resistant to stains, making it practical for everyday use. What truly sets this blender apart is its NSF certification, which means it meets strict commercial standards and can withstand demanding environments. This level of durability makes it ideal not just for home kitchens, but also for users who expect professional performance. The heavy-duty metal gears further enhance its longevity, giving confidence in its long-term reliability. With a 10-year warranty, the brand emphasizes its commitment to quality and durability. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or tougher mixtures, the Nuwave blender provides consistent, powerful performance.
Number 3. PSIIDAN 20-ounce blender. The PSIIDAN 20-ounce blender offers impressive power and versatility in a compact design, making it ideal for users who need both blending and grinding capabilities in one appliance. With an 1800-watt peak power motor and a 6-blade 3D stainless steel system, it efficiently crushes ice, frozen fruits, and other hard ingredients into smooth textures. Despite its smaller size, it delivers professional-level performance, making it suitable for smoothies, nut butters, and even frozen desserts. One of its standout features is the included dedicated grinder jar, which allows you to process coffee beans, spices, and grains without mixing flavors. This 2-in-1 functionality adds significant convenience for everyday kitchen tasks. The multiple speed settings and pulse function give users precise control over texture, whether making a fine puree or a chunkier blend like salsa. Additionally, the built-in timer allows for hands-free operation, enhancing ease of use. Cleaning is simple thanks to the self-cleaning function. Just add water and soap and let the blender do the work. The main jar is also dishwasher safe, adding to its practicality. Number 4. Vitamix 48-ounce blender. The Vitamix 48-ounce blender is a premium appliance designed for users who prioritize precision, convenience, and high-end performance. Known for its reliability, this model includes a powerful motor base paired with a 48-ounce container, making it ideal for small to medium batch blending. One of its key highlights is the inclusion of 10 automatic blending programs, covering everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and non-dairy milks. These preset options remove guesswork and ensure consistent results every time. The intuitive touch controls and digital timer further enhance usability, allowing for accurate manual adjustments when needed. A unique feature is the on-screen tamper indicator, which guides users when blending thicker mixtures, helping achieve perfect textures without interruption. The self-cleaning program is another major advantage, requiring only water and a drop of soap to clean the container in under a minute. Additionally, the Add 15 Seconds function offers flexibility for fine-tuning blends. Built with durability and performance in mind, this Vitamix model delivers smooth.
Number 5. Aeitto Frozen Blender. The Aeitto Frozen Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle both blending and grinding tasks efficiently. Featuring an 1800-watt motor with speeds reaching up to 25,000 RPM, it easily processes tough ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, and dense mixtures. This makes it an excellent choice for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. The large 68-ounce jar is perfect for families or batch preparation, allowing users to serve multiple people at once without needing repeated blending cycles. In addition to its blending capabilities, the included 28-ounce grinding cup expands its functionality, making it easy to grind coffee beans, spices, and nuts. The 2-in-1 design eliminates the need for separate appliances, saving both space and cost. Safety is also a priority, with built-in overheat protection ensuring reliable operation during extended use. The dual container setup, along with specialized blades for different tasks, enhances efficiency and performance across various kitchen needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.